Good morning and how do you do, ladies and gentlemen? I'm your host, Seth Julian. Welcome you to today's briefing. It's the 27th of February, 8:55 GMT. We're looking at the price chart of Zoom, the household name that became famous and essential to all of our lives for a solid 3 years and is still to this day essential to many of our corporate and organizational life. This is the price chart. It was as these pandemic broke out, the demand for Zoom products exploded, like Peloton, like that digital exercise system connected to the internet. But the price has fallen back down to pretty much where it was. This is an index chart, by the way. The yellow line is the S&P 500, and the on an index basis from the beginning of the data set, which is approximately the beginning, a little before the pandemic breaks out. Zoom is about the same price as it was at the beginning, and the S&P 500 is about 35% higher. So it hasn't done anything, where the S&P itself has just risen more. So this idea that the digital world is here to stay isn't true. And we think, they're going to announce their earnings today. That's why I'm talking about it. I'm talking about it because it looks to us like a very positive shorting opportunity. Let's take a look why. Let's drill into the financials and take a look. We can see that their incomes, their profit margins have fallen. This is Q3 2022. We're going to get the Q4 2022 results out today. Debt to asset ratio is rising. I mean, that's never a healthy thing. The cash flow from operations is relatively steady, but not growing, which it should be. And they seem to be making more from investing what capital they do have than actually making money back on the returns from operations. I just want to take a look at what we think are some of the key indicators or key signals to us that this is a good shorting opportunity. The operating income has been falling steadily since Q4 of 2021. So a year of not only falling steadily, increasingly falling in percentage terms from 1.5%, 18%, 60%, 75%. God knows what it's going to be today when they release the results. So the operating income, that means, what is operating income? It's revenues less expenses before taxes. And if we take even the and obviously here's the income falling by huge percentages. So so it looks to us the net income is shrinking. Look at the net income, and that's after taxes. This is the bottom line income. It's terrible. It's horrible. Whereas in the beginning of in the pandemic, we were making 700%. So we think this is going to continue to decline, and therefore it's a fine shorting opportunity when they release their earnings reports today. So that's going to do it for today, ladies and gentlemen. That's our take on Zoom. Zoom Video Communications Incorporated releasing its earnings reports today. We think this is going to signal further declines, and therefore we view this as a shorting opportunity in Zoom. That'll do it for now, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Seth Julian, wishing you all the ability to trade with confidence. Chalas for now.